Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu ba shong morway. Kumamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Ma kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haba kinong thok kubor ki bu jingkli yo sembut menjerang ba kazela ubadai ru menteri ka kampo yeng jong ka sarkar jela kata uba preston tensong ba hatu ka sarkar kamdan jingtip se bakadan ka jingti dau yong bean namar ba kani kamdai ka sien ka beningkong ba kandan ka jingya briu hakagram dau yong uba preston ula juba ba kijaka ki badan ka jingti dau yong bean kidan jingai ba na surok ba hakaba wat banya da ka four wheel ru ka shimpor kumba laikanta shiteng but hadu saw kanta kumta ka shamjing e bha yaki pulit ru banlet shakitu ki jaka halor ka jingya briu ka ba hadu menta kiladan arphunyongut ha ka jing thei ka kram deu yong hamin sngat thangsngu uba preston ulo ong ba ka sarkar kan thau da ka judicial inquiry commission ka banto kit benya bat ka sarkar kan IT ki kot kisla ha ka commission hadin bala yo chairman uban khli yaka halor ka jingnawa ba umentrang ba kajalla konrat kong kalsangma uba badru yakatnat mining and geology ba udevan resign no uba preston uloong ba kumkini jingdawa ki jumi habadon kumkini jingja hanre ula kular pat ba ka sarkar kan pentikna ba ka jingti dewyong bean kanam don shu.
Yes, the government has taken a decision that we will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out the investigation or whatever accordingly. See, right now we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two, again, yes, today, within 10 days time, again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. And I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it in the report. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.
Sir, any time frame set for the closure of these mines?
The question of time frame does not arise because any illegalities happens maybe tomorrow or the after tomorrow. We are going all out to close it.
If the manpower shortage is there, why don't you ask the help of Central Industrial Security Force to man the mines?
No, right now I think right now we are. It's still manageable for the manpower, and very soon you know well that we are also going to fill up those vacancies that we have, about 3,000 posts in police department. So I'm very sure once this issue is done, we will at least manageable to handle things.
So
There has been a demand for the resignation of Chief Minister. Your take on the matter?
I think you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that President also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing. We take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately.
So, is there any update from the ground? Is this rescue operation still going
Well,
on?
yes, the operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned personnel to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground. We are yet to. Right now, we have already arrested 2, and now we are Natrai ingin dia begin dia batailut kita baru kamlong menta ki police jogi kilong on the job ban find out namar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru kinang ya find out kumno don kat no ki bin bol nang tamano manusu ya kata ngan mla ban batai ya menta te ailat yang ni nak liang ka police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksi sha por ko kan no ki don ki to ki miners la ni ki no ki ba involved ba ki illegal mining.